Here's today's outfit of the day for Sunday. Another one of my new Christmas sweaters from Romway that was gifted. And then, of course, my moose necklace. I've just been wearing him pretty much non-stop these days. It is now Monday the 20th. This is my outfit of the day for a quick last-minute Christmas grocery pickup at our local Food Lion. I have this little sweater that was gifted. You probably saw this recently in one of my Romway Christmas sweater haul videos. And then this little skirt that I bought myself from Romway a few months ago. I like it because it will go with pretty much everything. A nice neutral color, some nude tights, and this little Santa Claus necklace. I think I got this maybe from the Dollar General or something when I was a little girl. So I've had this for many, many years. And then a red beret to top it off. I haven't worn my berets a lot this winter, and I love my berets. I think it's because we still pretty much don't go out anywhere very often. It's pretty much staying home all the time, so I don't wear a beret indoors usually. But I really like this sweater. This is the only one I think out of that collection that had a turtleneck, and it is a cold day. It was fairly warm yesterday. Today I think the high is only going to be like 45 and a low last night of 25, so it is a little bit cool. I wish I had some of those thermal tights. I think maybe I'll start buying those once these are once they get a run or something like that. Or maybe I'll do it sooner, but the ones that have like the fleecy inside so they can be worn in place of pants when it gets really cold, I love the idea of that. But for now, I have these, and it's not too bad as long as my upper half is warm, and then I have like a little long sleeve t-shirt underneath here too, acting as a thermal, so I am fairly warm right now. So I guess I'll go and get ready. I thought I would do something a little bit different than I've done before, and this is a shopping haul. So like I said, we just got back from Food Lion for a last minute, just before Christmas shopping haul. They gave us one of their little gift bags, a little cup. We got one like that a few weeks ago or a month ago. Some dry spray, antiperspirant, and then this is a little hand sanitizer spray. So that was gifted, and then I saw this available online. It's cranberry ginger ale. I thought that was so pretty too for Christmas, and I thought that would be really cool to try. Gorgonzola, we love gorgonzola and blue cheese, especially with our salads. We make chicken salad, well, like a salad with chicken on it, not chicken in a salad. And then this is one of my favorite creamers, the caramel macchiato by International Delight. Vaughn loves his prune juice and cranberry juice for his mixed drinks. He also loves croissants, and I think these are like 4 for $3.49, so not too bad at Food Lion. All of this is from Food Lion, of course. And then I saw they had cinnamon flavored graham crackers, and then the regular honey graham crackers. Vaughn wants these to do the graham cracker rim of some of his drinks. I got vanilla icing because I want to try making a graham cracker gingerbread house. I've seen people make those before. I think that looks so cool because it's fast and easy. Nutmeg for potentially making some more desserts for Christmas time. Cinnamon donuts. Those I just saw on the website, so I thought I would try those. Tortellini, 3 cheese tortellini. Tortellini is another favorite of Vaughn's. We haven't had like the stuffed 3 cheese in a long time, so I decided to pick some of those up. M&M's, I had originally ordered the Christmas flavors, and they substituted with these, and then dried cranberries for, I think, a pie or something, the raspberry pie that Vaughn is making, and then pork sausage for, he wants to make Scottish eggs. So that is our last minute Christmas grocery haul, and that's probably going to be the last shopping haul we do until after, maybe even after the new year. For lunch again today, another English muffin with egg, ham, and cheese. This is becoming a favorite of mine because it's so quick and easy, and it does keep me satisfied because it has plenty of protein too, I think. Today is the 20th, which I think is also sangria day, so Vaughn's going to have a glass of his vino tinto. For part of my dinner tonight, I'm going to have some coffee and some of my new cinnamon donuts, and then I also wanted to show these beautiful berries and branches, I guess. I don't know if this is a type of holly or what, but this grows on my mother's property, and she cut a few of these for me, I think the day before yesterday, and I think they are so beautiful. Now, of course, I need to make sure that they don't fall into anything because they might be poisonous, but I'm being pretty careful. But they are just so beautiful. Definitely gorgeous for the holidays. One of the things that came in the mail today is Vaughn's new Potter's Garden little candle holder. Actually, it's a bigger candle holder, this bigger one right here. Since we're both a fan of the whole Potter's Garden, this is actually Potter's Garden, Vaughn? That one? Actually Potter's Garden. The other one probably is too. That one was thrifted, I think. And he got the new, bigger one from eBay, just in time for Christmas too. I had an unexpected DHL delivery today, and I didn't know what it would be because I wasn't, like I said, expecting anything. And then I saw this. I guess this is a present from Romway because I don't have any campaigns with them or anything like that. So I guess this is a present. This thing is huge. That is so awesome. Totally unexpected. I'm so excited, but I think I will put this under the tree now and actually save this for Christmas Day. It is now almost 10 o'clock at night on Tuesday, and this is my outfit of the day. I haven't even put on any jewelry today, just very casual because it has been very cold today. It's like 39 degrees outside, so I just kept it fairly casual. Did a little bit of work on the house today. Try to get one of our doors to fit properly in the house, so I've been doing like some carpentry type of stuff. Still didn't successfully get the door shut, but maybe we'll work on that again tomorrow, and hopefully it's going to get a little bit warmer. It's going to be like 60 something on Christmas, so that is nice. It'll be a little bit more pleasant at least. Vaughn and I have been wanting to put shelves up in this corner right here in our kitchen for mugs for a while now, and so I finally got around to getting the brackets. And I just cut the wood, so hopefully we're going to be able to get these up. But unfortunately, we don't have white paint. So what I think I'm going to do is just put them up for now and then unscrew them, take them back off, and paint them later. But that way we'll at least have somewhere to put our mugs for Christmas. Shelf number 1 is in place. So yeah, I think we're just going to leave them like that. I think white would be better. I have gold spray paint, but I want it to kind of blend in with the walls. So I'm thinking we're just gonna leave it unpainted, and then once the holidays are over, I can actually go out and buy some paint or something. Well, I finished putting up the shelves. This is what they're going to look like, except, of course, like I said, I'm going to paint them, and then there's one missing because I started painting it, and we brought it inside. It was a little bit damp, and it didn't smell too great. It smelled like strong chemicals. So we put that one back outside. But for now, you can see this is where I'm going to put my seasonal mugs and maybe my favorite ones, and then the ones I use every day. So I think that works out really well. And then here we have, this is where we store our coffee in this. And then this came in the mail today. It is a Hamilton Beach coffee bean grinder. So we're going to try that out too because our manual grinder just stopped working a couple days ago. Here's what it looks like out of the box. Vaughn is reading the instructions, and I guess we're going to test this out tonight. Okay. Doing something. Wow, that definitely saves a lot of time compared to hand grinding it, doesn't it? Wow. I think that's, isn't that like ground like we normally do it, you think? Or is that, I think so. Wow. The question is that the... You know what? Maybe the fineness is based on how long you do it. That's what it is, yeah. Because it doesn't seem to have any indicators. That's incredible. Okay, that's probably enough. Wow, that looks like some fine powder there. Wow. So now the question is, how long is this actually going to last? Because this seems to be pretty cool so far. It does potentially make a little bit of a mess when you dump it out into, here's our French press. But I make a mess every time I make coffee anyway, so I don't think that's really a big deal. Okay, my first cup of coffee with our new coffee grinder. It looks foamy, and Vaughn said it's like an espresso, so I'm not sure how I'm going to like this. So I ended up having not 1, but 2 cups of that coffee, and it was pretty good. It definitely tastes different when you grind it that smooth. It's like a whole other flavor, so that's really interesting. But this is today's little outfit of the day, my thrifted velvet skirt and my thrifted sweater with little doggies on it, and of course my same little moose necklace, and then also my charm bracelet that was gifted from Sophil a few years ago, and then my hat that I got from Roses also a few years ago. It was a lot warmer today, so that was nice. And yeah, I've had a pretty good day. I'm so excited to get that shelf up. It's funny how you get excited about sometimes about the simplest of things, but I am very happy with that. It clears up some space, and we always could use more space. It is Christmas Eve, and this is my outfit of the day. My brand new cardigan that I got from Romway. This is one that I bought myself. I think it was like on sale for $10, and then I'm wearing that with my little moose necklace. And I don't know if this is a moose, a reindeer, or what, but I think it goes very well. And then these pants were gifted. Turtleneck that I've had for a very long time, and then my Sophil charm bracelet, but you can't see it. But this is a very chunky, warm cardigan, so I've been looking forward to wearing this. It kind of reminds me of Christmas and kind of like something I would wear if I were in a lodge somewhere. So this is today's outfit of the day. Now I'm going to get started making a chicken salad for lunch again, and Vaughn is going to make his raspberry pie for Christmas. Vaughn's raspberry pie came out smelling great, and it also looks pretty good, I think. It looks kind of like a rustic country pie, doesn't it, Vaughn?
Yes.
Hopefully it will taste as good as it looks and smells, and I guess we're gonna have this tomorrow though. For Christmas Eve lunch, we're going to have our tortellini. I was really in the mood for some Italian food, so definitely looking forward to that. It is Christmas Eve, and this is my outfit for today. My cardigan, I'm wearing it again, along with this thrifted Royal Stewart shirt and my little velvet skirt that was thrifted, and then my moose necklace, of course. So today it's been nice and mild outside, and that made heating the house even easier, which is nice. And we've just been enjoying a few different treats and getting ready for Christmas.